Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are absolutely welcome. As you can see, today's video is a 0 to 100 makeup and hair transformation. If you want to see how I go from this to this, please keep watching. Don't go anywhere. So first off, I have to comb my entire hair back and stop looking like I just rolled out of bed. I'm going to go in with my face primer first. We're starting off with skin first. And I'm going in with the NYX Angel Veil Primer and I'm applying this all over my face. Next, I'm going in with the ZARON Healthy Glow Foundation. Guys, this is the new matte formula and it is so nice. I love the way it applies, especially with a beauty blender. It goes on absolutely amazingly well. To highlight, I'm going to be going in with the ZARON liquid concealers in light and medium, and guys, I love these concealers so much. It doesn't have a maximum full coverage per se, but I really love the coverage that these concealers give, and I love how it blends out. It blends out like a dream, like an absolute dream. I totally love these concealers. To set down that concealer, I'm going in with the LA Colors Loose Powder in the shade Natural, and I've been reaching a lot for this powder of recent, more than my Sasha Buttercup. Sorry Sasha, but I'm really loving using this powder right now. It's absolutely one of my favorites right now, honestly. To contour, as usual, I'm using the ZARON Face Definer in the shade PZ05, and I'm using the contour powder there to just contour the perimeters of my face and bring back some warmth into my entire face. For blush, I'm going to be reaching into the ZARON eyeshadow and blush palette in the shade Autumn Splendor, and I'm just mixing those two blushes, and I really love how these two colors look together on my skin. For my brows, I'm going to be using the ZARON Cosmetics Matte Eyebrow Stick. Guys, let me just tell you, this eyebrow pencil, eyebrow stick, whatever it's called, is simply amazing. It gives you the most natural looking brows and it is completely matte. I love the ZARON. You guys did it with this one, honestly. So to clean up my brows, I'm going to be using the COLOURPOP Cosmetics No Filter Concealer, and you guys know, how I feel about this concealer. It's an absolute dream even using this to like clean up your brows. Trust me, it's amazing, and I use my beauty blender to just, blend that all out and make it very seamless. Now straight to the eyes, I'm going to be using the very same concealer I used to clean up my brows, and I'm going to be applying this all over my lids and blending out with my fingers. And then for my eyeshadow, first of all, I'm going to reach into my House of Tara MARGARET palette, and I'm going to be using this light orange shade. I'm going to be dusting this into my crease. This will serve as my very first transition color. And then next, I'm going to be going into this red shade, and I'm going to be applying this also in my crease using a very detailed brush. I want a very precise brush for this step, okay? So I'm going to be using this in my crease as well. And then next up, I'm going to be going into my JUVIA'S Place NUBIAN 2 palette, and I'm going to be reaching into this orange color called Morocco, which I absolutely love, by the way. And I'm going to be applying this also in my crease, just to bring back more warmth and more details in the eyes. It's cut crease time, okay? So I'm going to be using the same concealer, the COLOURPOP concealer, and a very precise detailed flat brush. And I'm going to be using this to just, create a cut crease. And yeah, basically that's all I'm doing here. I'm a lone wolf. So for my lid color, I'm going to be going back into my Juvia's Place palette. I'm picking the orangey goldish shade called Nefertiti. I absolutely love this shade, guys. Anyway, I'm applying this all over my lids, and of course, as you can see, this is a super stunning color. I'm applying this all over my lid with a flat shader brush from Real Techniques. And for the pop of blue, I'm using the House of Tara eye pencil in this shade DOOSHIMA. I'm applying this all over my waterline, guys. That blue is just so stunning. So because you know that there is no look complete without the perfect wing liner, I'm going into my LA Girl gel liner, a favorite of mine. I'm just going to be using this to, you know, create my lovely wing liner as usual. And then for mascara, I'm going to be going in with the ZARON Cosmetics Lengthening Mascara. This mascara, guys, this mascara gives my lashes so much length and volume. It's amazing. Going back into the Juvia's Place palette, I'm going to be going in with the shade called Zuri and applying this in my inner corners. So to glow, I'm going in with my NYX Strobe of Genius Illuminating palette, one of my absolute favorite highlighting palettes ever. And I'm going in with those two shades, applying them on the highest points of my cheeks, my cupid's bow, and my nose. And for my lips, I'm going in with the ZARON lip pencil in Cappuccino. This is such a beautiful brown color that I really like. And for my lip color, I'm going in with the ZARON matte lip stain in the shade LIPP'D. Guys, this is part of their nude lipstick range and I absolutely love this color. So stunning. So I'm going to magically wear my hair right now, and yeah guys, that completes this entire look. I do hope you enjoyed watching this video as I enjoyed making this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Like this video, share this video. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button down below, and I'll see you definitely in my next video. Bye.
Creeping through the shadows in the corners of your mind.